some of that plankton penis tomorrow. Sexy ass nigga. Look at you looking all cute. Wearing my shit. Sponge boy me Bob. Whip Mr. Plankton up here a nice juicy Krabby Patty with a special Krabby sauce. Oh no! Oh no!
Some people have called it an addiction. It's not an addiction. I can stop whenever I want. I just don't want to, and I need it every day.
Harry, hello, SpongeBob's house. SpongeBob speaking.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm about to buzz! Oh my God! I'm about to buzz right now.
Someone's been a bad boy.
Oh, yes, I have you, mistress. Don't spank me.
I got something for that.
What you got for me? I know you just ain't put that dirty ass puzzle on me.
Shut the fuck
Is that what that was?
Shut the fuck up.
Alright, I'm gonna fuck you up. Get me out of this shit. Untie my hands right now.
Little boy, you better get your ass from off my porch beating on my door like this. I will call the police. You need to leave. Don't you ever beat on my goddamn door like that. Go. Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm having a cookie.
Granny, those cookies aren't for you.
What do you mean? They're for everybody. You bought them only for you?
Granny, they're dog treats.
No. No.